I had touched on it some time ago. A brother from Haiti, long conversation, not Haiti, sorry, Hawaii, all the way there. Musician, singer. In the past year or so, I think he started reading the Quran. He started studying Islam. We see how Allah gives people hidayah? Musician, huh? He plays music and sings songs all over the world. Las Vegas, all over America, all over the world. But he started having this love for Islam. And he started reading the Quran. And he started studying about Islam. And it's interesting, he has been trying to get me for the past 3 weeks or 4 weeks or something like that. And we kept on missing each other because I'm either out of here, he's either out of the country, he's on a different tour. And you know, Hawaii is now 6 hours different to us. 6 hours different to us. But he can't get me at different times, and I can't get him. But finally this week we got hold of each other. Subhanallah. He motivated me again. He said, Sheikh, I've been all over, I've performed all over. Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, East, West, North, and South, you name it, America, here, there, whenever. It's why I just learned so much from your khutbahs. I feel so motivated, and I want to be a Muslim. And I've been listening for the past year. So you see, you brothers and sisters who contribute to Alhikmat TV, to Alhikmat Dawah services, you get a blessing. Not me, I only talk. Yeah, you brothers and sisters who donate to Alhikmat TV, you get that blessing. That guy sits and listens to the khutbah. I had no clue for the past year or so. And he said, I've been listening and I've been going to different places, but I just wanted to accept Islam by you. Allahu Akbar. You know, what? I mean, I get some goosebumps when he told me that this week. He said, Sheikh, tomorrow I'll be 40 years. I don't want to accept Islam. And he's listening to what you're listening to here. Musician, singer, top well-known in the world. I don't want to call name because you'll be Googling him, and instead of listening to Quran, you may start listening to him. And he wants to listen to Quran, and you want to listen to music. So, alhamdulillah, see, that motivated me. And you brothers and sisters who support us in this broadcast of Alhikmat TV worldwide, that should motivate you. You get some blessings. You get all the blessings for this brother, not me. I only talk. Great blessings. To have a man in that part of the world, he said, listen, everything is at his hands. You give him his life story. He said, woman, money, da-da-da. He did not accept Islam as yet. Tomorrow, inshallah. I know what he already told me. He said, Sheikh, I want to build a masjid in one of the islands in Hawaii. I said, Subhanallah. I said, I've been begging Muslims for 40 years now to help build a masjid somewhere else. And they don't even come up and say, well, Sheikh, where you want to build this masjid? Actually, some people are scared when you call them. They think the Sheikh probably calling us for donation to build a masjid. Here's a man not even a Muslim yet. And he said, when I accept Islam, I want to build a masjid. Allahu Akbar. That motivated me. And it should motivate you. And this is how we were motivated when we hear lessons in the lives of Sahabas. How they came from different parts and they came in the path of Islam. That's how Allah gives hidayah. So when some of us may be offended when we are reminded of the Quran and the Sunnah, there are people who want to be better. Their hearts tremble for the love of God, for the love of Allah. Their faith rises to want to be a better Muslim, a better believer. And alhamdulillah, make dua that tomorrow we finally get this self, inshallah.